Hello everyone. Today we are exploring the stylish Serengeti Shelby round sunglasses with Saturn Polarized lenses. These advanced 555 nm lenses enhance contrast and reduce glare for crystal clear vision in any lighting. The premium matte black metal frame is incredibly lightweight and durable for daily comfort. Its timeless round design offers a sophisticated look that fits both casual and formal styles perfectly. You get total UV protection to keep your eyes safe from harmful rays during outdoor activities. This bundle includes a full eyewear care kit and a manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. Experience superior clarity and classic elegance with these premium sunglasses on your very next adventure. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.